I'm Johnny Walker, G5. I am a loca. I am low paints. I have many profiles, but somebody use my messenger, my Facebook, my Instagram profile. I am Maori Johnny now. I'm Johnson. I have many profiles. I put in this profile all my profiles somebody use and I'm kidding. Again blocked. I don't know why. Today is 50th December. If I they put me in Instagram, I put this to explain everybody. I'm that boy. I'm Johnny Walker and the Joker also. But guys is jealous and don't love me because I speak with everybody.